for Mechanics Monday! Welcome to my new segment, Mechanic Monday. Every Monday I'll be giving back to you guys by hosting a giveaway where you can enter and win a free tool signed by me. And today's tool has to do with breathing clean air. But no, it's not this gas mask. It's this cool HEPA air filter that you can put in your car to get rid of all noxious smells. It just plugs into your cigarette lighter, or if you want to do a neat job, you can wire it right into the car if you want. Then you can put the filtering unit wherever you want. My wife hates unsightly things, so in her car, I put it under the seat. That way you don't see it, and it filters perfectly fine there, but you can put it wherever you want. It's got a really long cord. And here's how it works. Inside it has a HEPA filter and a charcoal activated filter, plus 2 fans, and there's an ionizer inside too to purify the air. This thing filters out 99.7% of formaldehyde and benzene and many other gases. And the ionizer part puts out 8 million negative ions per second to purify the air. Now, my wife loves her Lexus, but she's very particular about smells. She's really affected by any kind of chemicals. So when I put this thing in, she really found there was a difference in how she felt driving her car. The company that makes them, TCL, also makes whole house purifiers in Singapore where it's really polluted. So this isn't some kind of cheap toy. This is a serious air purifier for those who are worried about the quality of air while they're driving around in their car. Now, the only problem I found with this unit is my wife liked it so much she got mad when she found out I was giving away. So I had to buy another one to put in her car to give this one away. And remember, to have a chance to win these tools, just post a nice, clean, non-offensive comment in the YouTube comments below, and the winner will be picked randomly by a computer. And since entropy is the end state of all matter, that's a fair way to pick a winner. Thanks for watching this video, and good luck in the contest. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.